I've done a show around of the van in the video clip. I did give you some prices and the companies, but what I thought I'd do, sit down, get the book out, where I actually have written down what I pay for a lot of the bits and pieces. Current receipts I can't find, especially for the windows, so I can't really give you a true price. I'll give you a ballpark figure for that. But anyway, I'll start from the top. Split charger, that come from splitcharge.co.uk, and that was with 3 meters of cable, and that coming at £62. The cable, I underestimated what I was going to need, so I ended up buying another 5 meters from eBay, which come in at just under £18, £17.97. The battery itself is a Super Bat, 12 volt 110 amp leisure battery. That come from Amazon, and that come in at £79.99. The seats again, yeah, they were £400. They were brand new, come with a runner's delivery. I think they come all the way from Scotland. But as I said, I couldn't fit the 3 seats in. They would have been overhanging, and to be honest, didn't really need 3 seats. 2 seats more than enough. So I managed to sell one again. I think I put it on the old bargain sites on Facebook. Sold that, so I got a bit of money back for that. The windows itself, yeah, getting back to them, was a company, Crows Autos down in Grays, just around the back of Lakeside. And I say they did come in around about the £600 mark. I did try looking for a receipt, but couldn't find it. And to be honest, you know, it was definitely well worth the money. Hunt round, there are places a bit cheap if you're willing to drive a little bit further, but it was ideal for me at the time. The tow bar, never showed it properly in the video. That come in at £425. That's Starmo Auto Electrics. They were based, I say, around the back of Braintree Town Centre. Yeah, 13-pin caravan electrics, because as I said before, I do have a caravan. I'm going to be using the van for towing the caravan round and about. The brackets, the mounting brackets for under the seats, there was 12 of them. I don't think used all 12 in total, might have, I can't remember, it wasn't me who fitted it. They come in at £172 plus, sorry, including that, and that was Pace Precision, engineering company based in Harlow. The ply flooring, that all come from Wickes, same as the cladding come from Wickes. Yeah, not too dear at all. I think in total, possibly for the cladding on the inside and that, I don't know, 60 quid's worth, thereabouts. And the flooring itself, that was quite dear. The panels are quite thick ply panels. I think for 2 ply sheets come about 70 quid. I'd say they are quite thick. And the lino on top of that, I think it was about 25 quid off cut. Obviously there's other little bits and pieces. They do mount up, all the fixings, screws, brackets, bits and pieces like that. But as I say, at the end of the day, I'm really pleased with what it come out like. And as I say, there is more to be done, and I will video that when the time comes for me to get on with that. But hopefully that gives you a few little figures, especially the big stuff, which the majority of money, and obviously the van itself. That was that's a 65 plate that come in at just around 10 grand at the time when I bought it. Anyway, hope this helps. Any questions, please give us a shout and I will get back to you. Thank you.